Well, hello everybody and welcome back to Taylor's Board A Campervan. Today's video is going to be us just changing out a few lights on our van because especially the headlights seem to be very dim and they don't really give a lot of visibility. So we're going to change them out. We were going to go for LED, but they're a bit too expensive, so for now we just bought the pretty much most expensive halogen ones you can get, which is the Philips Racing Pro series, and they're really white. They're not completely white, they've got a bit of a yellow tint, not like LED, but they are a lot better than the ones we have on there now. But it seems when we changed them, one seemed to be a newer bulb and the other bulb seemed to be an older one. But it just so happened to be the first one we changed was the newer, better one, so the before and after wasn't as good. But if I changed out the old one and then put the new one in, I think the before and after would have been a lot better. We also changed out our cabin lights, which were really rubbish halogen ones, just pure orange, nothing else to them. We put some LED ones in there, but they didn't turn out very good either, so maybe we'll get some new ones then. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and enjoy. Right, I'm sure future Josh has explained to you about these headlights. The fact that they are absolutely appalling at night. So we want to change these out, and please excuse us. This is Storm Debbie today. So I've got, my God! But Dad wants to do this because we had to go to Wicks today like we always do on Monday, and waste all the day, so we thought we'd do a little job because it's getting early nights now, so we get these headlights done. For that we've bought these Philips Racing Vision GT 200. These are about the best ones you can get. They're not LEDs, they're bulbs, but they're white, they're like LEDs. These are probably the most powerful ones you can buy. See, that's standard, that's yeah, we'll see what results we get, but it's going to be a lot better than the really old horrible halogen ones we got in there now. These are about 22 quid, so pretty expensive for a bulb, but they're Philips. And it was loose at the bottom. Like it's missing a bolt.
Yeah, but I don't know if you can put a bolt in down there. They're supposed to slide in and have two bolts on them somewhere, but...
Bolt here, and then that feel like joint there as well. I'll have to undo this one and see what's going on behind it.
I don't know. I come out, I'll tell you what happened. I was meant to get changed, right? Then my socks keep falling down, so I had to change them. Started coming out, never changed my pants. Go back in, change my pants. Come back out in my Crocs when I meant to put my boots on. Go back in, put my boots on. Come back out, now my glasses are left in there.
Sure.
So it's been like, that's why I kept screaming, you know?
Yeah, I heard. That's 10 mil.
10 mil, yeah. But something underneath there, maybe they tilt in and clip behind and then bolt up. I don't know, we're going to have a look. See what's going on. I got a thing I could fit this to the drill driver.
So it looks like to get to this bolt we're going to take the thing off, the grill.
Take the front grill off to get to them. That video, it showed me on the Decathlon. That was actually, the nearest one I could get to it, which was the Campervan video.
Oh, dear.
We're going to have to get a bigger head on that.
Here's one that plays hard to do.
Maybe we can get new ones of these. As long as we can get the new...
Oh,
yeah, it just clips in, look.
yeah, good.
That's what I was looking at. This needs some rust converter on it. Put that inside the van and that'll be in the canal. And it will know, look, it's that type of plastic that sinks.
So we can get access to the other bolt now, the headlights.
I thought, knowing our luck, it's a completely different size. They do that sometimes. Should get the thing that I fit in the drill driver today. So, why is it not holding in at the bottom?
Well, let's take the other one off and have a look at that.
Yeah, nut one, nut two. And this one's snapped off.
It doesn't look like it's supposed to be anywhere.
Oh, that's a holding block there, isn't it? That goes in there,
Yeah,
it
goes in there.
So that should unclip. That should unclip, and we can put that back in there, and then when we put it back in, it will clip. It just pulls out of this ball like almost like a tow bar hitch, and goes into this bit of plastic here.
Maybe with silicone it.
Or super glue. I got some super glue on the boat. Super glue is quicker. Yeah. Super glue it in, because obviously it's got a problem. It keeps coming out. That's your indicator. That's the side light. Put the side light on. You can do it before and after on the side light if you want.
Yeah.
People to see. No, that's it. Just the side light. Pass me up the bag and get an LED out. It's okay, it won't matter for LED, that is hot. Already it's warm. It's cooling off now. So these should be a direct descending.
Thank God.
There we are. Only just fits in. Woo! And that clips in there. What do you think of that light then? Much better, isn't it? And it uses less electric as well. When you're pulled up, parked up, you don't realise how much those bulbs use.
Yeah.
But you have to get a good quality. You can get a kit, but now you can get direct replacements, and you can just replace them for an LED. But sometimes they throw up faults on the dashboard, all sorts of faults, LED bulbs. So I'm just going to go for these Philips Racing Vision because they're about the brightest. Right, there should be, I haven't got my specs now, there should be 2 clips on this.
Well, so I see how it works. You just push this down and then look. See that these little metal wires are cut underneath. So see how these metal wires are cut underneath this T-shaped thing. And just push that down and pull it. And there you see.
Delicate little thing really. What's that noise? That must have to go under the wire there. It's been a long time since I've... Right, now we really need to save that bulb. For the simple fact is if you... Bulbs are quite, even cheap bulbs, they're quite expensive, so if the bulb does break, we can carry a spare one with us.
Yeah.
So we're just going to keep this one as a spare. God, that's tight. God, that's been in there for some while. I had to put a little bit of lubricant in there, Josh. The terminals are rusting, look.
Yeah.
Need to make sure that they don't get rusted out. I don't think there's a right way round for it. Do you want to go and put the lights on again? Whoa! Oh, that way, like that. That's it, got it. And that goes under those. That one over there, I just put it in at an angle and pushed it in. It's just there, look.
So if anyone is by chance doing this to a Mark 1 Boxer, just remember that sometimes these bits of metal can be pushed back, so that's what it was. We pulled it back forward and then we could fit it in. Here's our side light.
The side light's much better. Those there for the really expensive LEDs, aren't they?
Yeah.
I'll do them tonight, Josh. I'll do it in the morning.
Well, I can tell you guys from experience that is a lot brighter than it was before. Look, the light's going all the way up towards the road up there. Which is a lot.
Get hot, they burn loads of electric when you're sat reading.
Look at them.
Yeah.
They're changing the interior bulbs as well to LEDs.
Yeah, got these little festoon bulbs. Almost identical, but they've just got an LED strip inside. Yeah. I can't see without my glasses.
I thought you had your glasses.
Yeah, but I haven't got them on, have I? Now, don't look like it's been off for a while, has it? I was looking at...
Yeah, there's metal clips here. I'll try and push them down, I think.
Oh, Jesus, the whole unit comes out, not the glass. That's what I was going to say, how you get past those switches on the outside.
I feel the heat coming around. All my
Exactly, yeah. Can you imagine
That's
how much,
more, that is.
how many amps? This whole unit just pops out. And there's your incandescent. Give it a clean out as well. Yeah, I wouldn't even keep... Feel how hot that is, you can't even hold it. That's the sort of heat you use. Yeah, it's like having a mini heater in there. Now it should say, it said that these are the right size, so for this vehicle, like red on the list.
These are a little bit bigger.
Tiny bit bigger, aren't they?
Yeah.
Even though it said on what car check that they were the right size. So.
Squished it in there, so we'll test it.
Ain't gonna go anywhere.
It's very bright, isn't it?
It is daylight and the sun's coming in.
Wow.
That wind's getting strong.
There we go.
Much whiter light, and it should save us a lot of electric, this.
Not as bright as I thought they would be.
No.
Right. It's dark now, so you can see this is how well those ones light up. Not brilliantly, but it is better than the other ones. Okay, so that is the end of today's video. We've changed out our headlights, and we've changed out our side lights, and we put some new cabin lights in. So the whole van, the lighting system of the whole van's pretty much all modernised now. Yes, could have done better with some LEDs, really. So maybe at some point we'll upgrade the headlights with some nice LEDs, but for now they do support much better visibility in the van. I mean, it was terrible before, you could barely even see in front of you, but with these ones, yeah, they are a lot better. But I think it's just a common problem with the headlights in these vans, they're just too low. And this is why the Mark II has the headlights way up, almost onto the windscreen. But yeah, we quite like them. So if you enjoyed, give it a like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.